Unlock the power to write smarter, not harder, with Gemini's AI magic directly inside your Google Docs. Let's dive into how Gemini can be your ultimate writing assistant first. Picture this: you're happily typing away in Google Docs, and suddenly, a helpful suggestion pops up, subtly highlighting a potential grammar improvement or an even better word choice. That's Gemini at work, analyzing your text in real time to polish your prose. To activate Gemini's core features, look for the Gemini icon, often found on the right-hand side of your document. Clicking this opens a powerful sidebar here. You can select tasks like Improve Writing, simply highlight the section you want to enhance, and Gemini will offer suggestions to make your sentences clearer, more concise, or more impactful. See, Gemini can rephrase sentences, suggest stronger vocabulary, or even help you restructure complex paragraphs to improve readability. It's like having an expert editor on demand, ready to refine your ideas and ensure your message lands effectively. But Gemini isn't just about editing. Need to quickly grasp the essence of a long document? Use the Summarize feature. Select your text, and Gemini will generate a concise summary, saving you valuable time and effort in understanding key information. Stuck for words or need inspiration? The Brainstorm Ideas function is your go-to. You can prompt Gemini with a topic or even a few keywords, and it will generate creative content ideas, outlines, or even different angles to explore, kickstarting your creative process. By integrating Gemini into your workflow, you're not just writing documents. You're crafting exceptional ones. From catching pesky typos to generating fresh perspectives, Gemini empowers you to create with confidence and boost your overall productivity. Start exploring these AI features today and elevate your writing.